What is up, guys? Welcome to Tech Pro, and today I'm gonna be telling y'all how to install any Tweak app, whether it's KineMaster Premium, Spotify Premium, or even Fortnite on your iOS device for absolutely free. There's not gonna be any revoke anytime soon, within at least 2 weeks, 1 month time span. But yeah, let's jump right in. So I'm going to be using an iPhone 8, not an iPhone 8s, iPhone 8 mini, just a regular iPhone 8. Basically, your device, your iPhone or iOS device, should be up to date on software. This can work for sure. I know that this method is gonna work on iPhone 6 through 12. So yeah, it's going to work on any of those devices. It just has to be on iOS 14.0.1. And yeah, we're ready to go. So, some couple steps before you install your Tweaked App Store is going to be you want to head over to Settings and you want to scroll down until you see General. And once you head to General, you want to scroll down until you see Background App Refresh. There it is. Background App Refresh. And you wait and you want to make sure that's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Background App Refresh basically, it's just like its name. It stops apps from being refreshed and makes sure that it's following Apple's commands. And obviously, for this method, we do not want to follow Apple's commands. So yeah, another thing you have to do on settings while you're there, you just want to scroll down until you find Safari, and you want to scroll down until you see Wi-Fi. Clear history and website data. You want to find that, and you want to tap it, and it'll say clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. It won't delete all of your logins or anything. It's just gonna make Safari way faster and easier for us to download our tweaked apps. So yeah, now that we're ready, let's jump right in. So what you want to do first is head over to Safari. And in the URL section, you want to type Tutubox, tutubox.io. There's the URL right there, and it's also going to be linked down in the description below. So yeah, tutubox.io. There it is. You just want to press go. And you'll be redirected to the Tutubox website. This was made by Saunders Tech and some other guy, I forgot his name. But what I do know is that Saunders Tech has a YouTube channel, and it'll be linked down in the description below if you want to check out his YouTube channel. He's the one who made this website, so yeah, I'm just going to be using his website for the tutorial. So yeah, now you'll find iOS download. Alright, so to download our tweaked app, you just want to head over to the Tutubox website, and you want to scroll down until you see iOS download, install now. There it is. And you just want to click it. And obviously, for advertisement purposes, you'll be redirected to an ad. Alright, this is just an ad. It's just some nonsense. You don't have to follow anything it says. It'll just redirect you. So to get back on the website, you just have to press this. And you want to slide off the ad. And then once you tap back on the website, you'll get this ad. Just want to press the X, and yeah, you'll be redirected to another page. And this page, it also has some nonsense in the front. You don't have to follow any of that for this method, but you just have to scroll down until you find Tutubox download, and you want to click on Jinhua signed. So Tutubox has a way to let you know which certificates are signed that allow you to download your tweaked app. So a couple weeks ago, Shanghai was signed, and I used that for my last video, but now it isn't, so we're going to be using Jinhua signed, or that's how I think it is. So yeah, this is another ad, so you just want to tap this. Oh, it's another ad, so you just want to tap this and slide off. There you are, and the Jinhua might turn dark blue. Just want to click that. It might redirect you to another ad. You want to keep clicking that until it doesn't redirect you, and until it says tutubox.io would like to install Tutubox. So you want to press install, and make sure you don't use any other certificate because those might not work. So yeah, and Tutubox is installed on our devices, as you can see on the homepage. So you just want to click it, and obviously you'll be given this pop-up, untrusted enterprise developer. You might be like, oh no, what's going to happen? Am I going to get hacked? No, you're not going to be getting hacked. It's just a way for Apple to try to revoke this method, but obviously we find a way around it. So you want to press cancel, and the fix to this is going to settings, and you want to scroll down until you find general, and then you just want to scroll down until you find device management. There it is right there. It might take a second to appear on your devices, so just you want to scroll up, scroll down, and you might find it right there, device management. Just want to tap it, and then you'll find this enterprise app, Jinhua, Shangfeng, or whatever, and it'll just say all of that. And then you'll just ignore all that and just press trust. And then I'll give you this pop-up, trust iPhone distribution or whatever, and then you want to press trust again. So yeah, now our app store is trusted. So basically, using this app store, you'll be able to download a bunch, and I mean a bunch of apps. So just for the sake of example, we're just going to go to Tutubox, and let's just say you want Spotify Premium or Minecraft. So I just want to search up Spotify Premium. And Tutubox's version of Spotify Premium is basically called Spotify. It's basically like Spotify, except it allows you to get premium features such as downloading music and get on whatever amounts of skip. So yeah, you want to press install, and it'll be installing on your home screen. So once it installs, which will be any minute now. Yeah, there it is. It might be grayed out, but the reason to that is because you don't have the FF Apple proxy enabled. Just want to head over to settings, and you want to scroll up until you find Wi-Fi, and you want to press the eye icon right next to your Wi-Fi, and you want to scroll down until you find configure proxy, and you want to type in this URL, http://ffapple.com. So once you type that and press save, then you want to head over to your Wi-Fi, and you want to enable and disable it, and then it will be auto-connected. There it is, auto-connected. And yeah, it should work now. If it doesn't, make sure you comment down below your problem, and I might just upload a fix for that problem. And yeah, my next coming videos are going to be mostly free movie app related, since I know a lot of you guys like it. Since quarantine is up, you might want to enjoy your quarantine by watching some movies. So I'll link, once I make the video, I'll link it down in the description below so you guys can check it out and maybe even install your free movie app. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure you comment down below if you have any problems, or if you want to just give feedback about our channel and you want to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next Tech Help Pro video, and have a nice day.